The title of a state to the continental shelf and to the exclusive economic zone is based on the principle that the land dominates the sea through the projection of the coasts or the coastal fronts. As the court stated in the North Sea Continental Shelf cases, the land is the legal source of the power which a state may exercise over territorial extensions to seaward. The court observed that the coast of the territory of the state is the decisive factor for title to submarine areas adjacent to it. It is therefore important to determine the coasts of Romania and of Ukraine, which generate the rights of these countries to the continental shelf and the exclusive economic zone, namely, those coasts the projections of which overlap, because the task of delimitation consists in resolving the overlapping claims by drawing a line of separation of the maritime areas concerned.